Hello friends, I am Manoj Kumar Behra, subject expert from MKD Education. So previously we have discussed heat and thermodynamics of your engineering physics subject. Some concepts regarding heat, specific heat, latent heat, its units and dimensions, thermal expansion of liquid, so thermal expansion of solid, coefficient of expansion, and so many things regarding your heat. Today we will discuss one more aspects of heat and thermodynamics. So you see, in continuation to the previous class, we will discuss the relation between the coefficient of expansions in this class. So without delaying, let's move to the class directly, where we can establish a relation between all the alpha, beta and gamma. So dear students, we will now establish relationship between the three coefficient of expansion of solids, that it will establish relationship between alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma, establishing relationship between alpha, beta and gamma. How we would do this? First we will establish a relationship between alpha and beta, then we will establish a relation between alpha and gamma. Okay, so first let me tell you the relationship between alpha and beta. Between alpha and beta. See, we know alpha is your coefficient of linear expansion and beta is your coefficient of areal expansion. See, we know A0. What is A0? A0 is the area of the metal sheet at 0 degree centigrade. That is L0 to the square, L0 square. Similarly, what is AT? Area of the metal sheet at T degree temperature. That is LT square. Again we know LT is our L0 1 plus alpha T. We know LT is L0 dot 1 plus alpha T bracketed. Okay, see, so that will become L0 square into 1 plus alpha T square. Again we know our beta is equal to AT minus A0 divided by A0 dot T. Clear? Now putting the value of AT and A0 in this relation, now see, AT is L0 square 1 plus alpha T square minus A0 is L0 square divided by L0 square dot T. Here L0 square is there, L0 square is there, L0 square is there. After cutting in the numerator and denominator, last two कौन पाएगु 1 plus alpha T square minus 1 divided by T. Clear? Now see, let me tell you. Here, after expanding beta, here beta is equal to 1 plus alpha T whole square minus 1 by T. So after expanding, that will become 1 plus alpha square T square plus 2 dot 1 dot alpha T minus 1 divided by T. Now see, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Again this will become 2 alpha dot t plus alpha square t square by t. Here after cancelling the t from the numerator and the denominator, will be having see beta is coming out to be this much. Here you know देखो कौन होच पिला माने. So beta is coefficient of areal expansion, which is equal to 2 of coefficient of linear expansion plus coefficient of linear expansion square dot t. Generally कौन होची coefficient of linear expansion or coefficient of superficial expansion or coefficient of volume expansion are very less. The magnitude is very less. So the square of the very less quantity is again very less. So neglecting बोधे बुझिए लगे. Suppose गोटे छोटा एग्जांपल नेली. Suppose 0.02. This is a very less quantity. तो तार जतले हम स्क्वायर कर देबो, that will become 0.0004, which is again very less. Just गोटे एग्जांपल देली. सेथि पाई since the coefficient of linear expansion is very small quantity, and when squaring it, that will become a very less quantity more. So let me ignore this less quantity. जदि हमें एई छोटो क्वांटिटी टा को हमें इग्नोर करिवु, ताले कोन हे जिवो, our beta will be 2 alpha. This is the actual relation of, this is the apparent relation between beta and alpha. Relation between alpha and beta. Similarly, we'll now discuss relationship between alpha and gamma. Okay, let me move to the to that position. Relationship between alpha and gamma. See, alpha you know, that is coefficient of linear expansion. Then what is gamma? Gamma also you know, coefficient of volume expansion or cubical expansion Now see, we know our gamma is equal to Vt minus V0 divided by V0 dot t. We know it. Now see what will happen. We know at V0, or V0 means volume at 0 degree centigrade, that is length at 0 degree centigrade cube. Clear? Similarly, volume at t degree centigrade will be equal to length at t degree centigrade to the power cube. Again we know our LT is L0 1 plus alpha dot t. Clear? So LT cube will be equal to alpha 0 into 1 plus alpha to the power cube. Clear? Now putting these relations V0 and Vt here, will be having L0 cube, let me write first, L0 dot 1 plus alpha t whole cube minus L0 cube divided by L0 cube dot t. Here L0 cube 1 plus alpha t cube minus L0 cube divided by L0 cube dot t. Here you see L0 cube here, L0 cube here, L0 cube here. Numerator denominator ru हमें L0 cube टा को cancel out कर दवा. तो last रे कौन रहेगा? 1 plus alpha t cube minus 1 divided by t. Clear? After expansion a plus b whole cube, हमें कौन आनिबो? See, so our gamma here, gamma is equal to 1 plus alpha t cube minus 1 divided by t. Okay, let me expand it. एबे मु expand करिबी केमिति? So this 1 plus alpha t cube, so gamma is equal to 1 aq plus bq plus 3 dot a dot b into a plus b, clear, and minus 1 divided by c t. Now see, cancelled out. Here we have 3.1 dot alpha t, so 3 alpha t plus alpha cube t cube plus here 3 alpha square t square divided by t. Now see what will happen here. Alpha is very small, मैं आगुर कही कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ लीनियर एक्सपेंशन जोटा कि बहुत छोट तार जो क्यूब हे जिवो दैट सेटा भी आहुरी छोट हे जिवो. हियर आल्सो 3 अल्फा स्क्वायर टी क्यूब, एठी अल्फा भी अछि, एटा सब भारी छोट छोट टर्म, छोट छोट मैग्नीट्यूड यार. तार जेतले में पावर बढ़े बढ़े चलिबो सेटा आहुरी छोट हे जिवो. जेतले छोट हे जिवो आमे ताले सेटा कोन करिवो, ई सब टर्म गुडा को हायर टर्म ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल मैग्नीट्यूड न्यूमेरिकल्स, जेतले हायर पावर ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स को आमे इग्नोर करिवो, आमे गोटे क्लियर गोटे अपरेंट गोटे न्यूमेरिकल फिगर आसीबो. सेत पई ए सब छोट छोट टर्म रो पावर को आमे कोन इग्नोर करिवो. तो एटा कोन हे जिवो, लेट मी राइट 3 अल्फा प्लस अल्फा क्यूब टी स्क्वायर प्लस 3 अल्फा स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर. एथिरे आमे कोन करिवो, ये जो टर्म टा को, ये टर्म टा को बहुत छोट बोली कि आमे तब इग्नोर करिवो. Ignoring the higher powers of small things, of small entities. ताले हमें कोन हे जिवो, एठो हमें डायरेक्ट कोन पाइलु, गामा इज इक्वल टू 3 अल्फा. प्रीवियसली हमको मिलथिला अल्फा इज बीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा प्रीवियसली. एबे हमको मिलला गामा इज इक्वल टू 3 अल्फा. सो कंबाइनिंग अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा हमको कोन आसी, प्रीवियसली हमको मिलथिला बीटा इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा. एबे हमको मिलला गामा इज इक्वल टू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा, गामा इज इक्वल टू our alpha is equal to beta by 2 which is equal to gamma by 3, or we can write it alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. This is the relation. These two are the relation between coefficient of linear expansion, coefficient of areal expansion and coefficient of volume expansion or cubic expansion. So this is the relation. By putting these values we can solve some numerical problems. Okay, so here see केमिति हमें अल्फा इज टू बीटा इज टू गामा इज इक्वल टू 1 इज टू 2 इज टू 3 केमिति आसला. एट देखो हमें एटा को हमें एमति लिख परिबु अल्फा बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू बीटा by 2 is equal to gamma by 3. This is also another similar relation. तो एठी ए रिलेशन रु हमें ए रिलेशन पाइ 1 is to alpha is to beta is to gamma is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. जदि एटा मन न रहला एटा इजीली हमें मन रख परिबु काना ए रिलेशन रु alpha is equal to beta by 2 which is equal to gamma by 3. So बहुत इजी ए रिलेशन टा मन रखियाटा होछ हमर बहुत इजी. ओके